Make camping safe and fun with these smart ideas. Camping can be a memorable activity that the entire family can enjoy outside in nature. Camping gives you the opportunity to experience nature firsthand and temporarily forget about all of your worries. The video that follows has some tips that can help you prepare for a trip that you'll never forget. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the bloodstream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. Do not assume you can collect firewood from the area. As an added precaution, bring along wood from around your yard or logs from a home store, and keep them where they will stay dry. When you get to your campsite, take your family out on a walk. Particularly, if you have children, everyone will need a chance to stretch their legs after getting out of the car. The hike will be a good chance to get everyone excited about the trip and involved with nature. If you are traveling with children, consider staying at a campground that is specifically designated for families. Campers in these areas know what to expect and will not have an issue if you have a cranky toddler or your children want to run around, scream and play. You will probably be more relaxed as a result and have a better time. Camping is an enjoyable way to spend time. It gives you the opportunity to bond with nature and relieve yourself of the stresses of your daily life. Use the tips in this video to make your camping trip a fun time that you'll remember for years to come. Being prepared is very important. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.